Hello everyone, I'm Paushalika Naik and welcome to Paushalika classes. So today we are going to be starting integers. So let's get started. So before moving on to the exercises, let's understand what integers are. Integers include natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. 0 is one of the integers too. And negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, etc. Integers are divided into two parts, positive integers and negative integers. Positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are all positive integers. Thus, natural numbers are also called integers. Negative integers are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, etc. are all negative integers. Number 0 is simply an integer. It is neither positive nor negative. On number line, the numbers to the right of 0 are positive integers and the number to the left of 0 are negative integers. Here is a number line to make you understand the negative integers and the positive integers and the 0 in the middle. Every positive integer is greater than negative integers. The absolute value of an integer is denoted by, for example, the absolute value of minus 5 is equal to 5 and the absolute value of 5 is equal to 5. On a number line, an integer a and its negative minus a additive inverse are equidistant from 0. So, absolute a is equal to minus a. Now let's move on to addition of integers. Here are some rules for addition of integers. Rule 1. If two positive or negative integers are added, then we add their absolute values and assign the addends to the sum. Rule 2. To add a positive and negative integer, we find the difference of their absolute values and assign the sign of addend having greater absolute value. Now let's move on to some questions based on the rules. Question 1. Add 59 and 23. As we observe that 59 and 23 are positive integers, so by using rule 1, we obtain, let 59 plus 23 is equal to 59 absolute plus 23 absolute is equal to 59 plus 23 is equal to 82. Let's move on to the question 2. Here given minus 47 and 83, and here we will use rule 2. So, minus 47 plus 83 is equal to absolute 83 minus absolute 47. So, 83 minus 47 is equal to 36. So now let's move on to the properties of addition of integers. Property 1. Closure property. The sum of two integers is always an integer. For example, 15 plus 7 is equal to 22, which is an integer. Now let's move on to the property 2. Here given commutative of addition. The addition of integers is commutative. For example, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 and 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Thus, 7 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 7. Now let's move on to the property 3. Associative of addition. The addition of integers is associative. For example, consider the integers minus 9, 3 and minus 5. So, minus 9 plus 3 plus 5 minus 5 is equal to minus 6 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 11. And minus 9 plus 3 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 9 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 11. And minus 9 plus 3 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 9 plus 3 plus minus 5 is equal to 11. Property 4. Existence of additive identity. The integer 0 is such that for any integer a, we have a plus 0 is equal to a is equal to 0 plus a. For example 1, 12 plus 0 is equal to 12, 0 plus 12 is equal to 12. 12 plus 0 is equal to 12 is equal to 0 plus 12. Property 5, additive inverse. For every integer a, there exists its opposite minus a. For example, minus 9 plus 9 is equal to 0, 9 plus minus 9 is equal to 0. Thus, minus 9 plus 9 is equal to 0 is equal to 9 plus minus 9. Now let's move on to subtraction of integers. If a and b are two integers, then to subtract b from a, we add the additive inverse of b to integer a. Thus, a minus b minus a plus additive. So let's solve an example regarding to that. Question 1. Minus 3 from 8. To subtract minus 3 from 8, we change the sign of minus 3 and add it to 8. Thus, we obtain 8 minus minus 3 is equal to 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So tomorrow we will solve questions of NCERT books. So if you have any doubts regarding what I have taught today, please let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching and keep smiling.